Hey, what's up guys? What we're having for dinner tonight. I will show you guys what I'm making. What we need, there's chicken breast, seasoning salt, garlic and pepper, minced garlic, Greek Feta salad dressing. That's a different things. Carrots, potatoes, white potatoes, any potatoes you can use, onions. That's our dinner for tonight. So, first thing I would do is I'm going to slice all of them and I will show you guys right after. Alright, I'm just going to finish slicing my potatoes and my carrots here. So let's just cut it into 4. Carrots is just like that. It all slice. I already show you guys how I do my potatoes and carrots, but this time I'm just gonna put some oil in it. A little bit of oil. I'm going to put the Montreal Greek spice. Oops. One down. Just like that. Get your potatoes and carrots. So next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut our chicken breast. Always cut the chicken breast last if you're dealing, especially if you're dealing with salad and everything like that, because you don't want to mix your raw meat same cutting board, or make sure you change your cutting board, different cutting board, so you don't, chicken, especially chicken, it has salmonella in it, so make sure you try to avoid doing that. So what I do is I do all my vegetable or anything like that first, and then my chicken or any meat. So what I'm going to do with this chicken breast, just going to cut it in the middle of it. And cut it. Just like that. Doesn't matter how many cut you want. But that's all I do with my chicken breast. So what's interesting with this is we are baking it with our Greek salad. I don't know if you guys hear about someone making dinner with Greek salad in their chicken, just like that. Now what we're going to do next is we're just going to pour our Greek salad in here, all our ingredients. That was 1 cup. Just mix them up, and then I'll mix up the rest of my ingredient to it. Look at that, it's not even baked yet. It's already smells really good. Just like that. Easy and simple. Now, because I'm doing it in one dish, I'm going to put my carrots and potatoes on the other side of it. Just like that. So that's ready to be baked. There we go. This our dinner is ready to go in the oven. I preheat the oven 375 and I'm gonna bake it for 1 hour. So let's put this in. Alright, and then we'll come back and see what happened. Right guys, what I forgot to mention to you guys, what I usually do when I cook this dinner, I usually marinate my chicken breast a day ahead, so all the Greek dressing, it will absorb to your chicken breast. But today I didn't have time to do it. I just came back from, I was playing golf today, So now I'm in a rush making dinner, so I didn't marinate my chicken breast, but I'm pretty sure it will taste good still. So anyway guys, we have 2 minutes left in our baked chicken breast with Greek salad dressing in it. So again, I've been baking or cooking for a long time, but I always try to create my own recipe. I always try something different and then just keep playing with my recipe until I get it right. So don't be shy to try it, or don't be afraid, because if you don't try it, if you won't create anything, it's not gonna happen. So anyway, we'll just wait for our chicken breast here with Greek salad dressing just about to go off. So it's gonna go off pretty soon. There we go. It's off now. So let's take it out from our oven. Just grab the thing here. Ooh, it is hot. Oh, as you can see, just come out from the oven. Chicken breast with Greek salad dressing. So potatoes is done. Everything is done here. It's perfect. Last thing that we have to do, cut this open. See what this thing look like inside. Oh yeah. Right there. So this is what you're gonna have with your dinner. Just gonna put 1 carrot here. Carrot is perfect, it's not too soft. So it's like that. That's the dinner. So bake this for 1 hour, 375 Fahrenheit. Right, let's make a plate. We're gonna get a plate here now. So now the potatoes, carrots, there we go. This is my plate tonight. Last thing that we have to add on this is our hot sauce. You guys probably know that I love my hot sauce. So let's try our chicken breast with Greek salad dressing in it. I want you guys to try it. Try to make it at home. Again, I've been trying different recipe, making my own recipe, trying whatever out there. Because I just love to cook, love to bake, and until I get it right. And this is one of my recipe that it's really good. So if you guys like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.